Okay, so all you have to do is come here and copy your affiliate link like this, paste it on a site like that, and you can literally start to receive these income payments every single day like clockwork. Look, if you want to learn exactly how you can promote affiliate links for free online to make 10K or more per month, even if you're totally brand new, this video is for you. I'm literally going to reveal an incredibly simple 10-minute free traffic method you can use to promote affiliate links in any niche. I'm going to share with you every single step, so by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to create the results you want. Now, before I reveal the very first step, if you want to discover my favorite way to make the most online with the least amount of work, be sure to click the first link in the description to check out a free video revealing all. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the very first step of today's training. So in this video, we're going to be using ClickBank to find a good product to promote. So once you're inside your ClickBank account, all you have to do is go to the left and click Affiliate Marketplace. Then they're going to list all these different niches or categories of products that you can actually find to promote. Now, for the sake of this video, if you just want to follow me, we're going to be promoting a product in the health and fitness niche. So we can go ahead and open that up here. And then it's going to list all these different products in this niche. Now, we want to find a good product to promote. So on ClickBank, you want to sort results by gravity, high to low. And what this is going to do is this going to show us the products with the highest gravity score. Now, gravity is basically just the score that ClickBank gives us on how well a product is selling. So the higher the gravity score, the more likely we're going to also be able to make sales as well. So you can see right here also they have the average dollar per conversion. You don't just want to look for a high gravity score. You also want to look for an average dollar per conversion of at least $40 so we can make some pretty good money per commission. You can see this one right here at the time of recording has a gravity score of 500 and it definitely has over $40 conversion. So then all we have to do is get our affiliate link. In order to do that, we just click this blue button here that says promote and we just click create hop link. And this right here is our affiliate link that we want to keep handy. Okay, now for this video, we're going to be using Pinterest. So we need to go and create an account if you don't already have one. In order to do that, go to pinterest.com and just click sign up in the top right corner. Now, once you're there, you want to actually go ahead and click create a free business account at the bottom. You want to create a business account with Pinterest because you're going to be able to access a lot more information such as analytics and other things to be able to scale your account and really make a lot more money. So go ahead and click that there. And then what you want to do is you want to enter an email address, create a password, your birth date, and then go ahead and create an account. Okay, now once you get taken to this page right here, we want to start building our profile. So for the profile name, we want to make this related to the niche or topic we're in. So if you're actually doing, let's say, the fitness and health niche, you can type something like, best fitness tips for you, something like that, something very relevant. Now for the profile photo, we want to put something that's going to be around the niche that we're in. So to find a good profile photo that's actually free to use, you can actually go to a site called pexels.com, make sure it's in photos, and I can type in something like health and fitness, and then just go ahead and search that, and we can actually see that it gives us all these amazing photos. So I can literally just find one that is pretty good. I mean, even this one, and I can click download. Once we've downloaded our profile photo, we can just go ahead and click here and upload it from where we saved it to. Okay, so where it says, do you have a website? You can actually put in your affiliate link here because when people see our profile, that's another chance that they may actually go to our affiliate link and buy. Also, if you have a blog, you could put it there. But before we just put in, let's say, our affiliate link, we want to shorten it to make it look more attractive. So you can go to a site like tinyurl.com and you can go ahead and paste in your affiliate link here. Okay, so I pasted in an affiliate link and you can just go ahead and click shorten URL and it will actually create a shortened link, which we can copy and then go back to Pinterest and I can go ahead and paste it in like that. Make sure you're choosing the right country you're in and the language and just click next. Now it's going to ask you these simple questions. Just go ahead and choose, a couple options right here. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. You can do focus on your brand. I can do health and fitness, and then I can just, sell more products, generate leads, and drive traffic, and then just click next. You can see our business hub right here, which will show all of our analytics and things like that. And we can just go up here and click on profile, and you can see right here that it has our affiliate link there. It has our name, a profile photo. The last main thing to set up our Pinterest account to start posting and getting traffic and sales is to create a cover photo or just find one. Now we can actually go back to Pexels here and I can just literally find another one to use as my cover. So if we just go here, I mean, it really does not matter, but I can go ahead and choose maybe this one and click download. Once you've downloaded it, just click here and you can go ahead and browse and upload that image. Okay, so that looks pretty good, and just click done. And there we have it. We have successfully created our Pinterest business account, and now we can move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is we need to create a pin so we can start to post these pins and get traffic to our affiliate link. So what you can do is go over to a free site called canva.com, and all you have to do is go ahead and create a free account if you don't already have one. And then what we want to do is type right here, Pinterest pin. And we want to actually look for this one right here, and we want to click that. Now, once you're here, they're going to have all these different templates you can use. Now, some of these are free, like this one, but if you see this little crown, this means that it's actually a paid template. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to do a free, and we're actually going to create a blank template. Okay, so go ahead and click this right here, and this will take you to this page. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to actually model this one here. Rather than paying for it, you can actually just, kind of copy the style of some of these pros. So the purpose of this pin is we want to actually draw people to want to click and then ultimately get led to buy our affiliate product. So the affiliate product we're promoting in this video is Puraviv. Okay, this is a supplement that helps people lose weight. So what we can do is, first off, if we look here, it has a photo of a video. Well, because this is a supplement, we want a photo similar to this. But we don't want to show exactly what it is because we want to leave some mystery so people will want to click on it. So what you can do is you can go over to Google Images and you can simply type in pill bottle PNG. Okay, now we want to do PNG because typically the background will be removed, so we can just get the photo of this pill supplement bottle, which is what we want to use for our pin. So all you have to do is just find one you like this and go ahead and download that to your computer. Now, once you go ahead and download it, you can click upload files here and you can choose the file. Now I've already uploaded it here and I can just go ahead and click that, and now it gets added to our pin. Now I like to change the background here, so I can just click background color, and I can actually either choose something similar to the color of the bottle, or I can maybe choose something like this just as a contrast. Okay, now if we look here, it has a title here. So what we can do is we can actually go to text and just click add heading. And then what we can do is actually click and drag this to the top. And we just want to say something that's going to capture people's attention and get them interested in wanting to find out more about this supplement. So if you look here, it says healthy weight loss as pure as nature intended. So it's basically tropical nutrients that help people lose weight. So I can say something like, discover the secret supplement to help you shed fat fast. Okay, something like that, something very compelling. Now, if you're in another niche, you can just use this and tailor it to you. So discover the secret method to generate income fast. Discover the secret method to get back with your ex-lover. Okay, whatever your niche is. Now we want to move this down slightly. And then what we can do is add one more title with a call to action. Okay, so see how this one says, watch the video now? We can say something like, get this supplement today. Okay, again, we're just using it. Now we can go ahead and make this smaller, okay, by clicking here. Okay, just like this. And that's looking pretty good, right? Now you can spend more time on this to make it, slightly different. You can see here they've added, a little bit of extra colors, and they've added this little icon. But for the most part, I mean, we're just creating an ad, okay? So what we're gonna do is create Pinterest ads that are totally free to post, and people will see this, and when they click on it, they'll get taken to our affiliate link, and many people will decide to buy. So once we have this, we just wanna go to share at the top and just click download. Okay, so now we want to go back to our Pinterest profile that we created, and now we simply want to upload this pin. So all you have to do is go to create here and then just click create pin. Okay, now once you're here, you just want to click on here and we want to upload the pin we just created with Canva. Okay, so there we go. So that's looking pretty darn good. Now what we want to do is we want to create a title. Now with Pinterest, we want to use something called search engine optimization. This is basically where we can rank our pins for certain search terms our potential customers would actually be searching. So you can see this magnifying glass. And what a lot of people do is they go to Pinterest and they may start searching certain words like best weight. And you can see as I type this in, Pinterest gives us these keywords: best Weight Watchers recipes, best weighted blanket. So what they're doing is they're sharing with us the most searched keywords. So what we want to do is we want to actually optimize our pins for the most searched keywords in our niche, so we have a good chance of actually ranking this pin closer to the top when people search. So when people go ahead and type this in, okay, like Weight Watchers recipes dinner, weight loss drinks, and they search this, okay, like this, you can see all these different pins are ranking. And again, we could have ours show up. So how do we actually optimize this? Well, what we want to do again is go here and start typing in a few words that have to do with the product you're promoting. So for this, I could do, again, weight loss and just kind of look at what's showing, okay? Or I could do, how to lose, okay? And if nothing shows up, again, you just want to kind of play around with it, lose weight. Okay, so that's not showing. So far, these seem to be the most popular, okay? So I can literally just take this keyword here and use this in my title, right? And then what I could do is I can include this little line to separate it, and then I could use a more clickbait type of title at the end of it to get people's attention. I can be like, shocking secret formula. Okay, or something like that, right? So we have the keyword in the front to ensure we rank, and then we have the title that's clickbait at the end. Okay, now for the description, we just want to write a paragraph including some of these keywords to help it rank even further. So I can say, if you've been looking for the best weight lose drinks. Now this is actually bad grammar. It should be weight loss. But again, we just want to use what it gives us. So that's what people are actually typing in. Best weight loss drinks. Then you want to check out this supplement here. And then we can actually, find maybe one more keyword. So, weight. And again, if it doesn't show, we can just kind of play around with it. So motivation, okay, is showing up. Motivation quotes. Weight loss tips, diet. I can say, find the best weight loss tips diet hack with these pills. Okay, something like that. Again, notice we're just including these keywords a couple times just to help it rank. Now for the link, okay, this is where we want to actually add our affiliate link. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and get your affiliate link wherever it is, and you want to actually add it in like this, okay, because the whole purpose is we're going to post this. We want people to click here and then get taken to our affiliate link, which will take them here, and then they will decide to buy, making us money. Now where it says choose a board, okay, this is very important. If you don't already have a board, we want to create a board. And again, it's very important to use certain words that people are typing. So again, I could do, weight loss motivation, okay, because that was one of the keywords. Just something that's relevant to the pin, but also keywords that people are searching, and then just click create. Now for topics, you can actually search to see if there's any topics on Pinterest you can link this pin to, again, ensuring that it has the best chance to rank. So I can type in, weight, and then see what shows up, weight loss tips, weight loss motivation, okay, just a few that's gonna, okay, help it show up. And then we want to, after we've done this, click publish. Now there we have it. If we look at this, it has a very compelling SEO title, has an SEO paragraph, and then it has a very compelling thing. And when someone clicks on this, they will get taken to our affiliate link. Okay, so you've created your first pin, and this will start showing up in the searches, and you may start getting some people clicking on this. But with Pinterest, you want to stay consistent. Okay, I recommend if you have the time, you do at least one of these every single day. Again, change the image, change the color, change the call to action on the image. It's a numbers game. The more you post, the more chances you are that one of these pins will start to go viral, start to get a lot of clicks, and you will start to make sales. And again, you're planting seeds, so these will start ranking over a long term, bringing you passive traffic. Now, one other tip is rather than keeping this bare right here, so if someone hits your profile, they may not see a lot. What you can do is you can actually go here and you can type in, again, the name of your niche, so like weight loss, something like that. And you can actually filter by all pins, okay? and then you can actually find another profile that's like a competitor or something in your niche. And what you can do is you can actually just find some of these good pins, okay, some of these valuable pins like this recipe right here, and you can literally just click save, and you can either create a board by doing this, or you can go ahead and name it yourself. But let's just click healthy recipes and then create. So now, if we go back to my profile, you're going to be able to see that now we have this board here with our ad, and then we have this one right here with the healthy recipes. So again, you don't want your profile to just be pitching, just be these ads, because that's going to turn people off. So instead, what you can do is you can pin other people's pins as well that are out adding value, such as recipes, such as different things if you're in the weight loss niche. And then you can also do these ad posts. So you're getting a combination of both. And by staying consistent, your profile will start to grow, and you will start to get clicks to your affiliate link and ultimately money flooding into your bank account. So there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed learning this method. Now, this method works incredibly well, but it's not my favorite. To discover my #1 favorite way to make the most amount of money with the least amount of work, click the first link directly below and access that free training video revealing much more information. Also, if you got value, be sure to smash the like button below to let me know. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you do so with the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest videos. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.